friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel.freak, and today we'll be talking about Vlookup function. And you must be thinking we've already spoken about Vlookup, then why again we have this video? This Vlookup is different from what we had done earlier. Earlier we had looked up for a particular item within a range, given a corresponding column number, and then we said we were looking for the exact match for all these permutations and combinations. But today what we'll be doing is we will be looking for a date and we'll see in which particular range it falls, and then corresponding value will be shared. There we had used exact match. Here we'll be using approximate match. Let's look at the data, and then I think the entire scenario will be much more clearer to you. What I have here for you is the start date and end date, which is normally a year kind of a range that I've given in. And then I've said what is the value of the product within this each year range. So maybe a particular product in the year 2000, starting from October till next year 2003, was of $37, but in the next year for the same time frame, it jumped up to $49. So that's the kind of data I have. Now, if I as a buyer am wanting to evaluate, okay, on a particular date probably what was the value of the product, and towards the right hand side if you see I've given in this date and I'm wanting to understand, okay, what is going to be the value of the product at this point in time within the entire range of dates that are mentioned here. So what my Vlookup first will need to do, my Vlookup will need to pick this up or look this up within these date ranges, that is my start date and end date, and first we'll need to find, okay, which particular range it falls into. Once it has identified that, then it will give me the value of this product. So let's start by writing a formula. We'll say is equal to Vlookup, and what I'm looking for is this particular date, which is mentioned in my cell I3. So this is something that I'm looking for in my main table. So I put in a comma, it's asking me for my table array. My table array is going to be this entire selection. Once I've done this, I need to give in my column number. Within this table, if I look at my column number, or what I want to find is the value of the product, it is mentioned in column number 3. This becomes my column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. And then what I need to do is, instead of writing in 0 or a false for exact match, I'm going to say true, which is my approximate match. What I really want to do is, I want to look up for this date in I3, and I want to say approximately match, which is the nearest possible date within this range mentioned in my table. So I'll put in 1 over here. You can also write true, 1 in the same thing, and close my brackets and hit enter. Now it's giving me the value of $58. 2011. This is my range that it is talking about. And let me quickly go and highlight this for you guys. Now if you see guys, this is what, 6th September 2011. Where is it really falling? It is falling in this range, very much before this date, right? This is 1st October and 6th September, almost like 20 days before this. It's falling in this range, and that's why I've got this value to be 58. Now, if I just go ahead and change this to probably a 13, this value automatically changes and gives me this as my row to consider over here. Very, very simple function, and lookup of dates is something that is very important and used quite a lot in the kind of scenario that we work with it. Try this out. If you face any issues, you can reach out to me at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. You can also use the comment box below to mention your queries. You can ask questions, or you can even share your opinion that how have you find really working on this particular function. Have a great day guys, and all the very best. Thank you.